This is RAIO by Lumacast, a modern evolution of the traditional orthogonal fire table, shaped by clean lines and softened edges. Its refined geometry balances structure with subtle curvature, while the extended top surface offers generous room for beverages and shared plates, creating space for shared moments around the fire, making it the perfect addition alongside sectional sofas and corner benches. Designed for gathering and everyday living, it creates a natural focal point for relaxation with family and friends, where conversation and connection unfold. Available in 6 sizes and a range of finishes, RAIO integrates seamlessly into outdoor spaces of any scale, from intimate patios to expansive terraces. Built to endure, our proprietary concrete is engineered for strength and sealed for lasting performance in the elements. Backed by an industry-leading 3-year warranty and dedicated customer support for added peace of mind. Depending on size, RAIO delivers heat output ranging from 120,000 up to 180,000 BTU, providing consistent performance across its configurations. Its architectural form and steady flame bring warmth and structure to the space around it. Thoughtfully made for outdoor living. Explore RAIO and other fire features at lumacast.com.